to the Tableau tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can use sets to make your dashboard more interactive. For this exercise, I'm going to use the data source that is available in Tableau, like orders and such. This is the data we are looking at. And this is the dashboard that you are gonna be able to build if you follow this tutorial. And what I have done in this tutorial is in this sheet I have quantities, order quantities by region, and these are the sales, and along here is you see the dates. And what is important to note is that this graph, the sales changes by region. If I click on any of the region, this will accordingly change. Okay, so let's begin our tutorial. I'm gonna first close this, so to begin from scratch, I'm gonna open the Tableau data source, and in my first worksheet, I'm gonna pull order date, and I'm going to pull the sales here. So if you see, this is a nice chart showing sales across multiple years. But I can also add quarterly sales, and I can also add monthly sales. Looks much better, but obviously not very visually appealing. So let me change this to bar chart and you will see why. So here is my sales by quarter, by month. And I'll do one more thing here. In this icon, you can flip the axis and it's gonna be much more visually appealing. So on the x-axis, I have dates. On the y-axis, I have the sales. So that's my first sheet. And while we are here, let's do one more thing. We can go to region, click on this arrow, and create a set. Let's call it region set. I press OK. And we will use this feature when we build our dashboard, but let's move on. In the second sheet, I'm going to draw a graph using quantity and region. So here is my region. I can pull it here. It doesn't matter, you have a way to flip the axis later on. So I bring region and I bring quantity. And I would like this sheet to appear horizontally in my dashboard, so I'm gonna be flipping the axis. So here you can see how the quantities are represented across multiple regions. So let's begin our dashboard and we will see how we can implement the set functionality in a dashboard. So here we have our two sheets. One is the region versus quantity, and the other one is the order sales. Let's bring this one and pull it here, and the other sheet down here. And obviously we can resize it to make it a little better. So right now, if I click on any of the region, it doesn't show up. It doesn't show the sales accordingly. So what we can do here is we can use the set and using set, and by creating an action, we can make it more interactive. So let's create a action. Go here, add action, change set values. This is what you want to pick. It is showing me there are multiple options. We will choose the action select. We can also do hover, but let's do select here. We can uncheck this because we want sheet 2 to drive the changes. And the target set is, this case is going to be the region set that we created just now. And to be able to refresh the data, we want to use this option here, remove all sets, remove all values from set, click OK, and OK again. That's step 1. So we create an action by going here again, action, and this is the action we created, but it is still not changing anything. So what we have to do here is we go to our region set and drop it here. Now you see how these are changing. So if we go to dashboard, we can see how we have made this dashboard more interactive. In the west, these are the quantities that we sold. But there is a problem. I want these quantities to appear at the bottom, starting from the x-axis and not the way it is shown. So that's a quick fix. All we have to do is come here, sort, and click on descending, and one more time to ascending, and that's it. So now if we go to dashboard, we can see if we select central, these are the quantities sold compared to the sales. We can press Shift on Mac, and accordingly we will see quantities across all the region. So by doing this, we can implement a more interactive dashboard, and that was about it. Thank you for watching.